could stay right here and let this whole world burn. And if you're wrong, and I hope you're wrong, we could stay right here and let this kingdom fall. We were going to anyway. Oh, this is all you need to know. This is all you need for now. Yeah, this is all you need, so build it up and break it down. It's so wonderful, so terrible. We could build it up and down. With our lips of steel and our hearts of stone, we should lay right here and let this city burn. With my mother's tongue and my father's eyes, I can't see the stars 'cause I've been blinded by the light. These dirty streets have eyes, and I lose my home and burn my clothes, drink my blood and bury my bones. I should give up my heart to a better man, a better man. So wonderful, oh so terrible. Take my beating heart and cut it out. We've got this all worked out, and we've got this right here in our hands, with lots to talk about. We are still learning how to live. We are the living. We hold it in our hands. Stand up and make it count. We'll take this knowledge to our death. We'll hold our breath for now. We are still learning how to live. This is all you need to know. This is all you need for now. Yeah, this is all you need, so build it up